So the number for drunken driving around 1,500, but the numbers bear a lot closer scrutiny. And I was prompted to do this partly by something I heard from Leighton Beard from the Automobile Association, who I think, I confirmed the number with him, but he was on ENCA saying that in fact drunken driving arrests lead to about 4% of those people being prosecuted. Well, the numbers are one thing. The process and why it doesn't work as well as it might is another. And to get some clarity, we're joined by Prof. Hennie Klopper, who is the emeritus professor specialising in third-party compensation law at the University of Pretoria. Prof, welcome and thanks very much for your time. What are the key questions we should be asking to better understand these numbers? My key focus is, do these numbers represent a deterrent? And if they don't, what are we getting wrong? Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon and good afternoon to the listeners. The problem with the drunken driving is that there is a minimal detection of people who drive under the influence of alcohol. International figures and even studies in our country would suggest that 70% of people who imbibe alcohol are detected on our roads. Of the 70% detected, only 7% result in successful prosecution.
Yeah.
So the problem with drunken driving is that there is not a sufficiently coercive deterrent to deter people from driving while they have an influence of alcohol. Another aspect is that the legislation does not deal with driving under the influence of drugs. Okay. Which is a problem. And that's why the 0% alcohol plan of the government is not going to work, because if they're not detected, they will not be prosecuted. Even if you've got 0% and if you're not detected, it doesn't make a difference what the percentage of blood alcohol content in your blood is.
News.
Experts.
Analysis.
Where things stand.
What you need to know. Drive Home with John Perlman
On 702.